Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, bend the knee, open your hips. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Place the left hand inside of your front foot. Inhale, easy twist. Reach with your arms to the sky. Inhale, exhale, send your arm forward, gaze to your hand, and then down, then back, rotate your shoulders, palms up. Two more of this one. Up, forward, back, down, and back. Last one, up, forward, down, and back. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend the elbows, send your hand to your lower back. Open your chest and the upper shoulder up. Breathe here, inhale. Exhale, both hands to frame the front foot. Find your foundation. Inhale, crescent lunge. Reach with your arms to the sky. Exhale, cactus hands. Elbows to the side. Activate your shoulders, shoulder blades. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Breathe here. Chest is up. Inhale, exhale, send your arms back. Interlace your fingers, arm down. Away from your lower back, gaze up. Breathe here. Inhale, and as you exhale, both hands into the mat. Downward facing dog. Other side. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, bend the knee, open your hips. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Plant your hands inside of your front foot. Inhale, easy twist. Gaze up. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale, send your arms to the front. Gaze to your hand. Then down, gaze to your hand. Back, open, rotate your shoulders. Palms is up. Two more of this one is up, forward. Keep looking into your hand. Down and back. Last one is up, forward, down, back. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bend the elbow. Open your chest, your shoulders, elbow back. Inhale. And as you exhale, both hands into the mat. Find your crescent lunge. Inhale. Reaching up. Inhale. Exhale, cactus hands. Elbows to the side. Chest is up. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend the elbows, cactus hand. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend the elbows. Gaze up. Chest is up. One more inhale. Exhale, send your arms back. Interlace your fingers. And arm down and away from your lower back. Gaze up and breathe. Shoulder blade together. Inhale. And as you exhale, both hands into the mat. Downward facing dog. Inhale. And as you exhale, find your child pose. Let's start to meditate. Just find a nice, comfortable seated pose. Bring your spine long, the crown of your head to the sky. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. And just focus in any place in your body that is touching earth. Just focusing grounded into earth, pressing a little more into these areas. Maybe your feet, your sit bones. And check after you press there, how your spine gets long. And I invite you to repeat after me. I am safe. I am grounded. I am here. This is me. I am here. This is me. It is time to come back. Add any movement to your body. And inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands to heart center.